The 2007 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled 6-speed automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, automatic transmission, passenger airbag, daytime running lights, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.